Expert technicians and architects said that the first airplane would land at Karbala International Airport in 24 months. That was said in a meeting with the chief cleric of Imam Hussein Holy Shrine, Sheikh Abdul-Mehdi al-Karbela'e, and the Secretary General Sayyid Jaferal-Mousawi. Mahdi al-Shaher, head of al-Sebtain construction company, said they prepared the blueprint for the runway, which would be 4,500 meters long. In addition, they have been working on establishing the communication tower of the airport, which is 63 meters high.